everybody. Today we're talking about lesson 107, which is adding and subtracting fractions with common denominators. And I'm here to tell you in very big, bold letters, hey, it's a breeze to add and subtract fractions if you know the rules that they follow by. And the biggest rule is your denominator must be the same if you're going to add or subtract them. So please, I wrote this in big bold letters. Put this in your notes. Once you understand this, it's going to make fractions a lot easier. And this is the main point. When we add fractions, we add the numerator, which is the top part, but not the denominators. So we add numerators together, not the denominators or not that bottom part. It is the same with subtraction. The bottom does not change. So once you have that in place, life will be good. Here are a few examples. In the book, it says somebody bought 3/5 of a pound of cashews and 1/5 of a pound of pecans. How many nuts did they buy per pound? And so, knowing what we know, our denominator stays the same. So we just keep the denominator the same, and we add the numerators, which is 3 plus 1. So when they are buying nuts, they ended up getting 4/5 of a pound. Our next one is one where we have mixed numbers. Question we have to ask ourselves, can we do this? Our denominator is 3. Our denominator right here is 3. It's a go. So we're not afraid. We subtract our numerator, which is right here, from our numerator down here. 2 minus 1 is 1. And what happens with our denominator? Does not change. We put a 3, and then we go to our whole numbers. 5 minus 1 is 4. So our answer for this is 4 1/3. And our last one, Mr. Daw biked 7.5 miles. Mrs. Daw biked 2.5 miles. How many miles did they bike all together? We look, we have our denominators we have in common, so we can go forward. We know 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. Now, do we put 1 right here? Not quite. This is for partial amounts, but because this is 1/2 and 1/2 creates 1 whole, we add these together, and then we put our 1 whole up here. And we have 1 plus 7 plus 2. So between Mr. Daw and Mrs. Daw biking, we biked 10 miles. That is the basis of the lesson. Please follow me on to the practice set. I will see you there. Make sure though that you've got these notes written down in your journal. Thanks.